Welcome to the Backify Cloud Storage Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. Backify is a cloud storage solution aimed at users who want a cost-effective, reliable, and straightforward way to store and back up their data. It offers unlimited cloud storage plans, making it particularly appealing to individuals and small businesses with large storage needs. Whether you're looking to back up photos, videos, or critical files, Backify promises simplicity and affordability without compromising on functionality. One of Backify's most attractive features is its unlimited storage plan, available at a fraction of the cost of other providers. This plan allows users to upload as much data as they need, with no caps or hidden fees, making it ideal for those with extensive multimedia collections or businesses dealing with large volumes of data. The service supports automatic backups, meaning you can set it up and forget about it, while ensuring your files are continuously protected. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, with apps available for seamless file management and retrieval. For users concerned about security, Backify employs AES 256-bit encryption to keep your files safe during both transfer and storage. It also provides file versioning, allowing you to restore older versions of your documents if needed, which is particularly useful for accidental edits or deletions. However, it's worth noting that the service does not offer zero-knowledge encryption, so users who prioritize maximum privacy may need to consider encrypting files manually before uploading. Backify is designed for individuals and small businesses who prioritize affordability and ease of use over advanced features. While it lacks integrations with productivity tools or support for team collaboration, it's perfect for users who simply need a secure and affordable solution for storing and backing up their data. In conclusion, Backify is an excellent choice for those looking for unlimited, budget-friendly cloud storage without unnecessary complexity. If you're interested in learning more or signing up, check the links in the description to get started with Backify today.